Avalanche coin Avax becomes the dominant focal point with its state-of-the-art Avalanche agreement, mixing evidence of work and verification of stake for fast exchanges and adaptable subnets. Avax stands apart for high throughput, interoperability, and eco-accommodating innovation, denoting its presence in the unique universe of decentralized finance. Assuming you're searching for Avalanche cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the cost of Avalanche Avax will go from here on out, we will examine the previous costs of Avalanche Avax and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Avalanche outline. Avalanche coin, frequently condensed as Avax, is a decentralized stage that works with the creation and trade of computerized resources and applications. Avalanche coin hangs out in the realm of digital forms of money with its imaginative Avalanche agreement, high throughput, and adaptable subnets. As blockchain innovation keeps on advancing, Avalanche prepares for versatile, energy-proficient, and interoperable arrangements. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Avalanche's $35.99 and Avax is as of now positioned #12 in the whole crypto-biological system. The core supply of Avalanche is 360,965 with a market cap of $13,688, 382, 114. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Avalanche's cost has shown a decent increment of 7.15% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Avax was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.47%. Avalanche has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Avalanche Value Forecast Number Cruncher. Our Avax Expectation Number Cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models examine an immense range of variables, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give a far-reaching forecast of Avalanche. Just information your ideal time span and see the expected anticipated worth of Avalanche. Our mini computer will produce a thorough rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. We anticipate future Avalanche cost expectations. Avax figure by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Avalanche. We give our all to gather most extreme authentic information for the Avax coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Avalanche market cap, Avalanche volume, and hardly any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts. Avalanche Value Forecast Synopsis. Avalanche Cost Estimate proposes a chance of Avax exchanging between $56.85 to $69.76 in 2025. Avalanche is presently estimated at $35.99 on the lookout. In a bullish situation, Avalanche could outperform the $32.636 mark for 2050, displaying expected vertical energy. There is potential for Avalanche cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $416.14 toward the finish of 2030. Experts project a bullish pattern for Avalanche in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $23.4 on a 27 mark. Avalanche Value Forecast 2024. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $39.36 in 2024. The Avalanche cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $48.09 with the typical cost of $41.04 all through 2024. Avalanche Value Forecast 2025. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach at least value worth of $56.85. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $69.76 with the typical worth of $58.49. Avax Value Estimate for 2026. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $82.64. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $98.03 with the typical exchanging cost of $84.98. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2027. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $117.70 in 2027. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $140.8 with the typical exchanging cost of $121.10 all through 2027. Avalanche Value Expectation 2028. The cost of one avalanche is supposed to reach at least degree of $172.82 in 2028. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $204.30 with the typical cost of $177.66 all through 2028. Avalanche Value Expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2029 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least degree of $241.19. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $298.22 with the typical exchanging cost of $248.30. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2030 the cost of Avalanche is estimated to be at around a base worth of $343.91. The Avalanche value worth can arrive at a limit of $416.14 with a typical exchanging worth of $353.84 in USD. Avalanche Value Figure 2031. Avalanche cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $490.16 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $597.20 with the typical gauge cost of $504.31. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2032. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least worth of $698.45 in 2032. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $837.55 with the typical exchanging cost of $718.62 all through 2032. Avalanche Value Expectation 2033. Avalanche cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $985.41 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $1.185 with the typical figure cost of $1.014. Avalanche Value Conjecture 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is significant, however opinion can be flighty. Analyzing current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the greatest cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach $23,427, with a typical exchanging worth of $24.76. The base cost is projected to be around $18,985. Avax Value Estimate for 2050. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn nearer with alert because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Expansion and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key systems for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto speculations. According to our Avax cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a most extreme cost of $32,636.